It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made. First update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 0006 as that level of resistance. But now that the price is above it, as that rule states, you would like to see it act as support. And this is one you could throw right into a textbook. Like I said, was resistance, then you want to see it act as support. Check it out here. Several times this afternoon, the bears kept trying to push down through there. Temporarily succeeded right there, but that didn't last very long as the price, sprung right back upwards. But bears tried many times to get through 0006, and it's been doing a great job of holding strong. So that is now the ideal level of support. I mean, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely 0006. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0006, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Newest area of support, I'm going to adjust this one up now that the bulls are making progress, is right here at 0004. So again, 0006, ideally you want to see it hold, but if it doesn't, you still do have the 0004 level where, from the grand scheme of things, not saying this will happen, but, in the event the price were to pull back here, and then, kind of just hover around right there before heading back up. Taking a step back, looking at, multiple days, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set of lows would be down here. You look at these as stair steps, and the overall stair steps would still very clearly be going in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game when you're looking at more so bigger picture perspectives. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the new area where sellers seem to be hanging out right up there at 0008. 3 different occasions, price tried to get through there and couldn't quite do it, so that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps building these higher bases, the overall chart's going to take care of itself, and the uptrend is not only going to take care of itself, in the process of doing so, it'll start to bring in that many more traders and eyeballs, so that's always very helpful too, especially with these 000 stocks. They can really get organic momentum once they get going, so we'll see if the bulls can keep the uptrend intact or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.